At dahil nakita mo nga ang video na ito, alam mo na na para sa iyo ang reading na ito. Hindi ako maglalagay ng hashtag para damang-dama mo na para sa iyo ang message na ito. So guys, I have the key in here and new beginnings, directions, and adventures await for those ready to let go of the past. Most of you guys, I am sensing na if you are someone na just broke up with your partner or you decided to let go of something or parang moving on kayo phase, ganyan, nakikita ko guys na you are ready to open new doors. Possible may mga iniwanan kayo sa past or may mga nilet go na kayo and you are ready for something new and you have the key to open new doors, meaning you have the courage, you have the strength, you have the wisdom, you have the lessons, you have the talents, the skills, anything that you have right now is the key for you to face another or open another door in your life. And guess what? From darkness, I can see lights coming in for you, or could be wisdom or enlightenment. Ooh. So nakikita ko dito na you guys are open for it. Medyo na natatakot kayo mag-move forward, pero this fear is the reason why you have to move forward. So sa mga nakakakita nito guys, huwag kayong mag-alinlangan sa mga kaya nyong gawin. Huwag nyo nang pagsisihan yung mga bagay na nasabi, nagawa at nakat nyo na sa life nyo because there is a new beginning for you. Iniwan mo yung mga bagay na dapat mong iwanan at iniwasan mo yung mga bagay na dapat mong iwasan kasi you are not meant to be in that place, to be with someone, to be in that environment anymore. You are evolving. You are enlightening. Enlightening. So guys, meron kayong enlightenment na nangyayari sa inyo which is giving you more assurance, security sa decision ninyo sa buhay ninyo. So, bye!